I wanted to do a follow-up with some more Derek Bailey-inspired ideas and techniques, and really to talk about what these notes are when we're playing stopped harmonics, let's say at the 7th fret. So I've covered this in other videos. I'll try to link them below if I can remember which ones, but I know I've addressed it a few times about the overtone series, the harmonic series. So on any given string, we're going to have, if we just play it open, we're going to have the fundamental, in this case, E. If we divide it in half, right in half, we get an E that's twice as high. It's an octave higher, which makes sense, as if this is 1, then 2, cutting it in 2 equal sections would be an octave. If we cut it in 3 equal sections, we get a new note, and this would be, if we count up alphabetically, this would be the 5th. E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B. So living within the fundamental, you can kind of hear, if we isolate it, that 5th is always there, as is the octave. These are all component parts of what we hear as the fundamental. If we divide 3 equal sections, right? 3 equal sections of string. Here's 4 equal sections, and as 4 is a doubling of 2, we get yet another octave of E. So this note is in there when we hear the fundamental. If we divide it in 5 equal sections, we get the just intonated major third. So in this case, G sharp. So just sticking with that much. 1, fundamental, octave, 5th, octave, major third. On this string, the notes would be E, E, B, E, and G sharp. So that goes for all strings. So what I'm going to do is talk about what's here at the 7th fret. We just have to think up a 5th from the open string name. But eventually you'll just want to know these as you know the notes on the fingerboard. So they correspond. This is a B, this is an E, an A, a D, an F sharp, and a B. Right there at the 7th fret. So what you heard at the opening, I was playing a half step above. So here's D sharp and D. I'm playing the 11th fret of the first string and the 7th fret harmonic on the G string, which is a D. I'm sorry for all the terms. I don't want them to be confusing, but it's just the way it is. We could also go a half step below, and this is the 9th fret of the first string, C sharp, and 7th fret harmonic on the 3rd string, D. Admittedly, I'm picking intervals that are rather jarring together. If you listen to Derek Bailey, that's often what he's going for, is non-standard or less common kinds of interval combinations. I could do C and D. We could get into more tonal. That was playing C, D, so C fretted 8th fret, 1st string, D harmonic on the 3rd string, 7th fret, G at the 8th fret of the B string, 2nd string, and the A harmonic on the 7th fret, 4th string. Just going across. Now we need, so here's D, 7th fret of the 3rd string with the E harmonic on the 5th string, 7th fret. Here's an A fretted at the 7th fret of the 4th string with the 7th fret harmonic on the 6th string. So we're skipping strings. And you can hear right away when it goes into something that clashes a bit more. So those were all the half step belows. Now I'm just doing a little bit of a shape inventory. I'm just using the fret below. So 6th fret, 1st string, 7th fret harmonic, 3rd string. We're always skipping a string in this example right here. So 2nd and 4th string, 3rd and 5th string, 4th and 6th string. So knowing these by pitch name might allow you to incorporate them in unexpected ways. If, let's see. So there I played a little D major. And got the 7th degree here and the tonic by playing the 7th fret harmonic, thinking of a D. There I played the A major scale, and at the end of it had the A harmonic here at the 7th fret. So I'm hoping that these will give you something to work on. Here's one of Derek's clusters. This is, I'll just name from E string down. 6th fret, 9th fret, 6th fret, A sharp, G sharp, C sharp, and then A, E, B harmonics. Sometimes he would try to strike these things all together. On earlier recordings, you can hear him using a volume pedal to bring things out. He didn't use the volume pedal as much later, as far as I can tell, but early on, he'd swell some of these things in, so you'd have clusters that I can't swell in on this guitar very easily. But hope this helps. Hope it's of interest. I noticed that the Derek Bailey themed lessons get a lot of love, so this one's for all of you. Hope this finds you well, and as always, I wish you a very, very good day.